Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Who doesn't love a good snack? I certainly do. I really love these Nature Valley sweet and salty bars because they are very portable and delicious. So I love anything that is sweet and salty. I just love that contrast in flavors. And these are great because they're a little bit chewy, they have a really nice texture, and they just have a lot of flavor to them. This pack is awesome because it's a variety pack. You get 15 bars. So you get the almond, the dark chocolate, peanut and almond, and peanut flavors. And 15 bars that last me for a while. You can see that they're packed really nicely, and they're just a really nice portable size that you can just throw into your bag or keep in your car, anywhere where you know you are going to need a snack. My personal favorite is the peanut. It is just absolutely delicious. If you love peanut or peanut butter flavored, you're gonna love these, but all of them are really, really tasty, and they're just a nice little snack that gives you a little bit of energy. So they're the perfect snack right out of the little package, really portable, very delicious. I think that you'll love them too. That's my point of view.